अस्सलाम वालेकुम एंड वेलकम टू माय अनदर पॉडकास्ट। आज हमारे साथ मोटर व्हीकल इंजीनियर मिस्टर आबिद खान साहब हैं। आइए मिस्टर आबिद खान साहब से उनकी लाइफ के बारे में, उनके प्रोफेशन के बारे में जानते हैं। कैसे सर आप?
वालेकुम सलाम, ठीक हूँ मैं.
सर, यू वर बोर्न एंड रेज्ड इन कीनिया
Yes,
एंड योर पेरेंट्स आर फ्रॉम?
my parents also are from Kenya, but my grandfather came from Pakistan.
Oh, he came from before
Yeah,
partition.
yeah, that is on the time of British. My grandfather went to Kenya. He was taken for that railway line and all that, so we just stayed there, and I was born and brought up there.
And I believe many Pakistanis, even more Indians at that time, it was
Yeah,
together all Pakistan
yeah,
and India, they moved
yeah.
there.
Yes,
Yes.
so we have a mixture there.
And there is a lots of community over there.
Oh
right?
yes,
Yes.
yeah,
So how do you feel visiting Pakistan?
it's good.
How often you visit Pakistan?
I got my wife is from Pakistan, so that's why I have that connection of going and coming in Pakistan.
So you are half Pakistani.
Yeah,
तो सर जब आप पाकिस्तान नहीं आए थे, what was the image of Pakistan you had at that time?
no, I was told Pakistan is a nice place to visit. Yeah, and I heard a lot about Lahore, so that's why I think maybe God made me connection much stronger in Lahore.
तो जब आप लाहौर आए फर्स्ट टाइम, आपको कोई कल्चरल शॉक या कुछ लगा कि ऐसा एक इमेज होता है जहन में जहाँ आप नहीं गए होते और आपने आके उसको कैसा आपको इमेज
No, I liked it. I liked it because here is a nice place to visit also, and the crowd also is nice. It's better. It's nice.
लाहौर के अलावा भी आपके कोई सिटीज गए?
Yeah, I've gone to Islamabad. I've visited a couple of places in Pakistan.
सही। तो सर कीनिया में आप बाय प्रोफेशन क्या है?
I do motor vehicle engineer. We do rally preparation. Rally means those cars that go in the track and all that.
रेसिंग कार्स?
Yeah, racing cars, yeah.
Okay.
That's still common, very common in Kenya. We still have WRC that's still performing better in Kenya. So I'm in that field.
Okay, so you also do that racing?
Yes,
Really?
yeah. In 90s, 95, I started doing that after school.
Oh, so
Yeah.
it's been so many years.
Yeah,
So do you like it? It's your hobby or?
yeah, it is.
Yeah. How do you think that? You're gonna choose this profession?
It's just a fun. It's like our family was into rally. My uncle started rallying, my cousin started rallying, my brother started rallying. So it's just a joint kind of a thing. So I took more interest.
Or sir, what about your other profession? You are an engineer as well.
Yes, I've visited also Japan, and inshallah I'm visiting Japan again because of this.
So you worked over there as well, or
Yeah.
you just exploring that?
No, I worked there. Also, I'm going back there again.
Okay. How do you find Japan?
Japan, it's good. It's machine life, not bad.
And how are the people over there?
They're good. They're good people.
So what is the challenge you faced when you visit other countries for your work?
It's a bit difficult staying without the family, but you have to work, so you have to be strong.
So what country you find the most lively people, most funniest people?
Everywhere, they have different kind of people. So different country with different people and different rules. So just get used to that. That's all, and just keep on going. Yeah.
आपकी कोई अपनी फर्म भी है, कंपनी भी है अपने वर्क की?
We had a company in Kenya. The name of Times Racing.
Times Racing.
Times.
सही. How you spell it?
It's TAMS Racing
Okay.
in Kenya. So we still have that name still going on.
Okay.
So when we do rallies and all that, we still put those stickers and all that for advertisement. So we are still on. Even my younger brother is still around there.
सही.
Yeah.
तो जो पाकिस्तान से अक्सर लोग आजकल जो पाकिस्तान के पॉलिटिकल या आप कह लें जो हालात हैं, बहुत से लोग हमारे यंगस्टर स्पेशली ट्राई कर रहे हैं कि वो पाकिस्तान से बाहर चले जाएं.
Actually, you see what is there that we have different. Even in Kenya, if you come and see, Kenya is just the color of the people that they are black. I mean the Africans.
Yeah.
And yeah, it's just the same. There's nothing different. If you come to see, it's just the same. We have couple of Pakistanis who work there, who are doing businesses there, who like there, they've settled there. It's just the same, it's nothing different. It's only difference maybe with the money and technology. That's all.
तो यहाँ पे जिस तरह बहुत ज़्यादा हम किसी पे इतना ट्रस्ट नहीं कर सकते, बहुत इश्यूज हैं यहाँ पे दूसरे, कीनिया में कैसा है ईमानदारी और सब कुछ?
Kenya is also, just say Kenya is just the same. Between Pakistan and Kenya, there's not much difference, but in Japan, we are totally different. Japan is better.
So sir, your first language is Kenyan,
Yeah,
Yeah.
our language in Kenya is called Swahili.
Swahili.
Yeah,
Yeah. So how do you know Urdu? Did you learn it?
I learned Urdu recently when I got married.
Oh, so your wife taught it
Yeah.
to you. Wow. What else she taught you about Pakistan other than language?
After learning Urdu, I came to Pakistan and learned more.
With
Urdu.
family.
I didn't know Urdu at all.
Wow.
Yeah,
And you learned so well.
yeah,
You can speak it, right? And you can't read it. And
yeah. I can't read the writings, but I understand Urdu.
Okay. I know many non-Pakistani friends of mine. They learn Urdu. I don't know. They says that everyone says that it's so easy.
Yeah, it is.
It is. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
और क्या hobbies हैं सर आपकी?
My hobbies are just this, into rallies and fixing cars, and I have that a lot in me, doing that, fixing cars and preparation and rally cars and all that. So I've also introduced my son into that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So do you fix just these rally cars or the other cars as well?
We fix other cars also, because once you do the rally cars, you come to run the other cars also. Yeah.
So your family, your parents are still in Kenya?
No, they passed away.
Oh, okay, sorry for that.
Yeah.
Any message for Pakistani people?
Pakistani people should work hard.
We are not
And do
working
better.
enough hard.
No, they should work hard and do. They can. I know Pakistan is better. They can do much better.
Yeah.
I visited Pakistan. They're very good in engineering also.
Yeah.
So if they work hard and be honest, they can take a good number.
How many times you visited Pakistan?
This is, I think, my 5th or 6th time.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I keep on going
Right.
because my family is here at the moment, so I have to come to visit them most of the time.
Yeah. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you.
It's lovely talking to you.
Same to you.
Thank you. मिलते हैं किसी नेक्स्ट पॉडकास्ट में. टेक केयर. अल्लाह हाफिज़.